Hey, it's Julie. Now let's get started with the video. Valentine's Day is the perfect time to sport longer nails, and to be honest, I just had a really bad break over the New Year's, so I'm gonna be wearing these for this video, but all these designs are doable on short nails as well. I'm starting with one coat of a beige polish for this design and letting it totally dry. I recently discovered these adorable stickers that I got from Amazon, and I wanted to feature them in this video because they are so easy to use and give you a perfect minimalist nail design in no time. These are a wavy design, which has been very on trend, and they're also in this really pretty pink color, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. The beauty of these is that the design is over a clear sticker backing, so you literally peel the sticker off of the sheet and then pop them on your nail wherever you want. These are a little short for these longer nails, but if you have shorter length nails, these stickers in particular will be perfect for you, and you can mix and match them and make them into whatever pattern you want. I wanted to share these because Valentine's Day always sneaks up on me and I feel like I never have time to do a manicure, so these are a great option for that. You just pop them on and they're great over any base color in regular lacquer or even gel. Just be sure to use a top coat to seal them in. For the next design, I'll be doing a coat of white polish and letting this totally dry. And because you can't have a Valentine's nail design video without at least one manicure with lots of hearts, I'll be showing you how to do a really simple heart pattern nail design. And I'm going to use shades of red, pink, and a lighter pink, but you can use all the same color if you want. But here's how you do a really simple heart. With a large dotting tool, create 2 dots that are slightly touching. Then use a detail brush and draw a line in between those dots and connect them in a triangle shape and fill it in. And that is an easy, simple heart. So I'm going to do this with different colors and I'm going to fill out my nail a little more, but you can always do less hearts, more minimal, or you can even add more and make them tinier for a full-on pattern. This is really customizable. I just wanted to show you how to do this simple heart design so you can get creative and make your own manicure. And a little quick tip when working with bright colors over a white base, I recommend flooding the top coat over the design first, which means you use a lot of nail polish and quickly pull it over the design. Don't let your brush touch the polish below. Make sure that top coat is in between the brush and your nail and just flood it across, and then let that dry, and you can apply another layer of top coat to smooth out the surface if you need to. And for the final design, I wanted to show something really classic in case you want something a little more modern and minimal. I'm going to use this sheer beige polish and apply 2 coats of this so that I have a nice sheer my nails but better finish. And now I'm going to use these scallop shape sticker guides. These are kind of like the shape of a top of a heart, so I thought it'd be perfect, and it kind of gives me half moon vibes, which is also a very popular trend in nails right now. And I applied that to my nail. Make sure that base polish you use is totally dry. You can even use a fast dry top coat over top of it to speed it up, but it does need to be totally dry before you apply these stickers. And then you simply apply the color you want to apply. I'm using red, of course. And before that red polish dries, remove the stencil and you should be left with a perfect, crisp, heart cutout shape manicure. And this one is just so classic and I absolutely love this. And again, I am wearing these on long coffin shaped nails, but this would look really pretty with oval nails or even stiletto nails, so it almost looks like a complete heart. I hope this video gave you some inspo for an easy and minimal nail design that you can wear for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, you can click on your screen here to watch more Cute Polish videos, and be sure to click the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here. As always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye!